Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying to make guacamole for the first time. I heard that this is a great alkaline snack, plant-based alkaline snack to make or as a side dish for meals. So we are going to attempt to make this today. I don't have all the correct ingredients, but I'm using what I do have. Some things I just switched out, but what I am using today is 2 avocados, organic limes, and a squeezer. And this squeezer is actually my grandmother's. White onions, you should swap out for red if you get red. Roma tomatoes, key lime juice. You can get some key limes or key lime juice. I had both. Sea salt, onion powder, oregano, and this is the recipe I'm trying out from Alkaline Cuties ebook. I have some cayenne pepper, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get into me showing y'all me attempting to make this guacamole. So I am cutting my avocado in half, and I am taking out the seeds in the middle. You always want to take the seeds out in the middle. I'm spooning out the middle of the avocado into my bowl. I'm not gonna lie, I was struggling to get that seed out, and I was hoping I was doing this right, because last time I used an avocado was on my hair with my DIY hair mask, and I did not skin the avocado like I should because I didn't know what I was doing at the time, because it was my first time using an avocado. Okay, next I'm cutting up my lime and I'm squeezing some of the lime juice. I think I'm doing this right, but if you don't want to do this, you can just use the key lime juice in the bottle. So I had Zahara helping me out to get as much juice out as we could from this lime, and then I'm just pouring that into my guacamole avocado mixture. Next, we are adding in the onions and mixing it all up. Again, switch yours with the red and green onions. And then I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So I'm adding in red peppers and green peppers. You don't have to add this because, like I said, make sure you get the onions, y'all. I don't know what I was thinking at the grocery store. I just picked up the wrong stuff. Since I didn't have red and green onions, I just did this to add a little bit more flavor into the guacamole. You're gonna go ahead and add in your Roma tomatoes, and I'm adding just a little more lime juice, and I'm mixing all of this up. I'm trying it out to make sure it tastes to my liking as I'm mixing it up, and that is pretty much it. This was super easy to make, super easy. The only mistake I made is not having the red and green onions or whatever else you guys may think that you can add into guacamole. So next time I'll make sure I have those, and forget the peppers. But overall, it still came out good. Add it with some chips, add it on top of your tacos. I didn't have any chips, so I just used some tortillas that we had in our cabinet, and I added these on our alkaline tacos, which I am going to be posting that video here, or it will be up soon if it's not already up. But yeah, it was great. Great snack. Great, again, to add on top of tacos. Let me know what you guys think, and if you guys decide to try this out, I will see you at the top. We gotta get some real tortillas. I forgot. We're using taco shells for now, y'all. Be careful, guys. Pull up. You like it? It's yummy, ain't it? I had to put green peppers and red peppers because I didn't get red onions and green peppers. But it's not bad. It's still vegetables, so it's okay.